What if the secret to a lighter body, clearer skin, and a calmer mind was already sitting in your kitchen cabinet, completely ignored? No supplement, no expensive cleanse, no miracle pill. Just two ingredients almost every household already owns. It may seem strange at first, a tablespoon of olive oil mixed with fresh lemon juice every morning on an empty stomach, and yet this simple, almost humble combination has been used for centuries in traditional Mediterranean medicine, passed down quietly from grandmothers to daughters, from village healers to modern households, long before wellness routines became a trend. Today, science is starting to catch up with what these old traditions seem to understand instinctively. This blend of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin C acts as a true internal reset button for the body. It's not flashy, it's not expensive, but those who consume it regularly often report changes after just a few days. Changes that build into something much bigger over the following weeks. Let's go through exactly what happens inside your body when you start this simple morning ritual. Before we continue, if you find this useful, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps this kind of information reach more people, and it costs you nothing. First benefit, the liver is detoxified and stimulated. Think of your liver as the body's tireless night shift worker, filtering blood around the clock, breaking down everything you eat, drink, and breathe in, often without a single word of thanks. Olive oil contains valuable polyphenols and monounsaturated fatty acids which, combined with the citric acid in lemon, gently stimulate liver function. The liver is our main detoxification organ, and it never really clocks out. It filters toxins from the blood every single day, whether we support it or sabotage it. Lemon juice also provides vitamin C, which activates liver enzymes and stimulates bile production, the substance responsible for breaking down fats in the digestive tract. With this support, the body can metabolize fats more efficiently and clear out toxins more quickly instead of letting them accumulate. After just a few days, many people report feeling lighter, more alert in the mornings, and noticeably less foggy and fatigued throughout the day. It's a subtle shift at first, almost like wiping condensation off a window, but it tends to grow more noticeable the longer the habit continues. Second benefit, digestion is stimulated. This mixture acts like a gentle wake-up call for a digestive system that, for many of us, has spent years running on processed food, rushed meals, and too much coffee. Olive oil lubricates the intestinal lining, helps the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and gently encourages healthy bowel movement without the harshness of a laxative. Lemon, meanwhile, stimulates the production of gastric acid, which makes it considerably easier to break down heavy or rich meals later in the day. Many people who try this notice a real reduction in bloating, that uncomfortable feeling of heaviness after eating, and chronic constipation often within the very first week. A morning routine built around olive oil and lemon helps create a healthy, active gut. And a healthy gut is the foundation of nearly everything else, including a strong immune system, stable mood, and good skin. Third benefit, the immune system is reinforced. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants, compounds that neutralize free radicals and help activate immune cells so they respond faster and more effectively to threats. Olive oil contributes vitamin E and essential fatty acids that help calm inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation being one of the quiet, underlying factors behind a weakened immune response. Together, these two ingredients form a surprisingly powerful duo that helps stabilize the immune system and makes the body more resilient against everyday infections. People who consume this mixture regularly often describe getting sick less often, fewer colds creeping in during the winter months, and a noticeable boost in their overall energy levels, the kind of steady energy that doesn't crash by mid-afternoon. Fourth benefit, the skin becomes clearer and smoother. There's an old saying that the skin is a mirror of the gut, and there's real truth to it. The detoxifying effect on the liver and intestines doesn't just stay inside, it shows up on the outside too. Toxins that would otherwise have to be pushed out through the skin, often resulting in dullness or breakouts, are instead broken down properly through normal metabolism. Vitamin C plays a key role here as well, since it promotes collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping skin firm, plump, and elastic. At the same time, olive oil nourishes skin cells from within thanks to its essential fatty acids, working from the inside in a way creams and serums simply can't replicate. After just a few weeks of consistency, many people notice their skin looking fresher, plumper, and more even in tone, a visible glow that quite literally comes from within rather than from a bottle. Fifth benefit, the joints feel relief. The anti-inflammatory polyphenols found in olive oil act almost like a natural, gentle painkiller for the joints, without the side effects that come with long-term use of over-the-counter medication. Combined with the antioxidants in lemon, they help neutralize free radicals, which are frequently behind the pain, swelling, and stiffness so many people associate with just getting older. With regular, consistent use, many people report increased mobility and noticeably less stiffness when they first wake up in the morning, a clear sign that inflammation throughout the body is starting to settle down. Sixth benefit, the metabolism speeds up. This is one of the most underrated effects of the whole routine. Combining healthy fat with acid first thing in the morning has an interesting side effect. It helps stimulate fat burning. Lemon encourages the secretion of digestive juices, while olive oil supplies the body with healthy fats that help energize and support a sluggish metabolism. Taken specifically in the morning, this drink helps activate the liver, the gallbladder, and the digestive enzymes that have been resting overnight, essentially flipping the on switch for the rest of the day. It's a gentle metabolic nudge, not a stimulant jolt, the kind that gets the body moving without overwhelming or overstimulating it the way caffeine or sugar often do. And seventh, perhaps the most important benefit of all, the body finds its balance again. Regularly consuming this lemon and olive oil mixture allows the body to slowly regenerate and recalibrate. The acid-base balance is restored, digestion becomes noticeably easier, and blood circulation toward the organs improves. This inner harmony doesn't stay hidden inside. It reflects outward too. A clearer mind, steadier energy throughout the day, and healthier looking skin. It's like giving your body a small, thoughtful gift every single morning, one that asks for very little and gives back so much, naturally simple, naturally effective, and available to almost anyone starting tomorrow morning. Want to know exactly 5 mistakes when eating garlic that are ruining your life? Then watch the video linked below. Just click on it.